Okay, I think we will start now. Welcome to our webinar with, as a topic, our new product, the senSERS. This webinar will be recorded and uploaded on our website. But let's start with the introduction. First of all, I would like to introduce myself and my colleague, Florian Sörner. After that, I will talk a little bit about codecs and SERS. After that, we come to our main topic, our new sensors. And last but not least, we will have time for your questions to be answered. My name is Nico Strubing. I am the new product manager here at Codex. You can reach me under my email address at any time and I will answer you as fast as possible. You can also phone me if you want to. Today with me is also Florian Sörner. He is our deputy head of production and he will answer your technical and production relevant questions. Maybe you want to show himself shortly?
Already did. So,
Okay.
but but yeah, welcome.
But let's start with codecs and SERS. So we here at Codex, we have more than 25 years of experience in working with glass and nanoparticle technology. With just small tweaks to our polarizer production, we can seamlessly transition to manufacturing silver-based substrates. They are fully made here in Germany with a stable supply chain and the trusted codex quality. The first batch of our newest sensors launched already in October 2025, but the development is still ongoing. Every day we get more and more feedback to further improve our product and expand our production portfolio, but more on that at the appropriate time. But let's talk about our sensors. What makes our sensors so different from most substrates on the market? Most of these already on the market substrates uses a glass base with just nanostructures on top, but our sensors have also nanostructures in the glass itself. And because of that design, our sensors are the world first mass-produced substrate which we can use on both sides. Due to this design, there's more benefits. For example, the active area is the whole area of our substrates, and our substrates are less prone to mechanical damage. So you can use your tweezers without fear to damage our substrates. We have also very good reproducible performances and a very good homogeneity across the entire surface. You can see on the slides a RAM picture of our substrates. These little bubbles are our nanostructures. So, other benefits of our product are that they are fully compatible with nearly all standard Raman systems. I mean, if you have a handheld or a laboratory equipment, both should be fine. We have also a high production availability, which leads to a very short lead times there. So you can order directly and we will ship them fast as possible. Yes, we have a standard size for our sensors, but when you need special substrate sizes, we will find a solution for your needs. And after all these benefits, I can say with confidence that our products have the best price to performance ratio on the market. And but I will talk about the price in a few more minutes. So handling. But let's talk about the handling first. So before packaging our substrates, we will clean them, so you don't need to clean them before usage. After our cleaning process, we will vacuum seal them inside a drill pack, and after the opening of the vacuum, our substrates have a shelf life of at least 6 months when you let them be in the gel pack. Like I said, because of the robust glass base, that simplifies the handling, and our substrates are currently being qualified for various analytical applications in laboratories and companies around the world. So there are many key applications, for example, detection of pesticides, hormones, or other contaminants, but this is only an selection. In principle, our substrates can be used for theoretically any type of Raman analysis. So our recommend measurement parameters would be that you use laser wavelengths from at least 488 nanometers to 78.5 nanometers. And also the sampling method is nearly up to you. You can use drop, but also immersion deposition. So as you know, the performance depends on the analyte you use, but we had limit of detection results up to 10 to the power of -7. And our tested analytes are at the moment rhodamine 6G, benzotriazole, adenine, TRAM, and crystal violet. So let's talk about the product options. So like I said, we have a standard size for our substrates. The standard dimension would be 4 times 4 times 1.0 millimeters, and we ship them in following pack sizes with 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and 49 pieces per tray. But like I said, they are fully customizable with begins at 1 millimeter. So when you have special needs, just contact us at sales@codex.de. There are also no waiting times. Our substrates are in stock, so you can order also directly from the online store dgkey.de. There's also like this very special offer in the first quarter this year, 2026. When you order a pack size from 4 to 16 pieces, you get the first tray with a discount of 75%. When you're interested in this offer, feel free to contact us at sales@codex.de. So, that was my short presentation. When you have questions, it's now the time for it.
Good morning. Can we ask questions via audio or via chat?
Up to you.
Okay, well, I'm here now. Thank you, Nico. I entered a little bit late, but I think I got your whole presentation. Thank you for that. I do have some experience with Raman. Do you work with for your test with specific brands of equipment?
I think Florian can answer that question a little bit better.
Sure. In regards to brands, you mean the Raman, which
Equipment, the hardware.
yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, no specific hardware brand is used. We basically contacted a couple of firms, whether they were interested in using our sensors, and from Bruker to TH Gaia or Fisher Scientific, basically most of the standard equipment was used in the testing.
Yeah, okay. And did you do this testing at the Codex facility, or did you ask other labs to help you with that?
We used other labs because
Okay.
they know better than we how
Mhm.
they would like to test.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. And one other question, you mentioned that products are also available via DigiKey. What is your experience? Do you have more products available on DigiKey? Do you see a lot of customers ordering via this channel?
You can not just order via DigiKey, you can also order via all other distributors. But we mentioned DigiKey because it's a good online website where you can order directly. Like
Yeah,
Amazon.
okay, yeah. But what is your experience? Do you see a lot of customers ordering via this system?
To be honest, that's a question I can't answer right now.
Now, reason for my question is that we do not want to promote our customers to order via DigiKey. And we say you need to call us or order via us.
I would say that it's up to your customers where you order, but yeah, especially in the beginning, I would say when you order our substrates, ask directly at our email address because
Yeah,
then we
we
can.
will do. We will do. But unfortunately, we don't sell a lot of your products in our territory. But we know that the generational researchers we have to deal with, they don't like to talk with people at all.
Yeah.
So they are finding their solutions via web shops, and DigiKey can be one of them. So-
There is that's why we choose DigiKey because it's like in Amazon. I'm also a very young person, so I also like to directly order my stuff and pay via PayPal. But yeah, like I said, our product, our sensors are so new. That's why we are just at the start. So I can't say how much we are get orders from via DigiKey or something else.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for this answer, Nico.
You're welcome.
Sufficient for me. I have no further questions.
Others? Wait. I look in the chat. Wait a second. Do at the moment we don't have any feedback from Horiba. Or when it's what is your question? If Horiba tested our substrates? Karim? So I'm not sure what's your question, but when you ask Florian, do you understand the question?
I'm also not quite sure in regards to Horiba. I mean, generally, we or they more tested our sensors and gave us valuable feedback in the development phase. So I hope that's at least in the right direction of your question.
Okay, you can call me after the meeting is completely okay. Other questions? Yeah, you too. And thank you for your attention. And I hope to hear about from you. Okay, bye.